Hi, I'm Taylor Lashae, and I'm here to show you something brand new from Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs Brow Wow Duo. They come in 5 shades, and by duo, I mean it's got 2 sides. One pencil side for precision, and the other side being a tinted brow gel.
I love Brow Wow Duo because it's an all-in-one product for easy, soft, plush brows.
And if you're anything like me, you know the brows are the most important thing on your face. For me, I prefer my eyebrows to look a little on the natural side, a little overgrown, a little messy. And I do like them to look groomed and precise.
This product makes it so quick and easy to get those natural looking fluffy brows.
I cannot wait to show you what this is gonna look like. Hint, surprise. If you have sparse eyebrows like I do, I have some brow here, but you can kind of see that in certain parts they're kind of like missing or just not that consistent. This is where you're gonna wanna start to use your pencil part to really fill in the area. I start lining underneath, kind of gives me like an outline.
The pencil has a soft powder-like texture and applies so smoothly.
And then I kind of fill in the areas that are sparse, and it'll give you that volume illusion.
The best thing about this is they come with refills. All you have to do is plop it in here, snap it on, good to go. So now my brow looks nicely filled and shaped. Next, I'll add the tinted gel for some dimension.
This brow gel is incredible. It just slides right on. This is actually really soft and lightweight. It doesn't feel like I'm gluing my eyebrows down.
And it gives you an all-day hold without feeling crunchy.
It literally fills in all the gaps to complete a well-balanced look. Here on this side, we have the Brow Wow Duo in action. And on this side, a very sad, lonely brow. You will love this product because it's so easy to use. I am not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be good at doing brows, but this product is literally foolproof.